Hello everybody and welcome to the first risk reward risk event video for the week. We're going to be looking at the Aussie dollar, US dollar. We've got the RBA meeting minutes at 2:30 tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to look at the Aussie now. We have had a drop, obviously quite considerable drop over the last week. If we take that down to the 4-hour chart, we can see we had this big drop down, went through a lot of support and resistance levels, and we've kind of hit this base down at 9,000 at the moment, and we are experiencing a little bit of pullback. Now, I'm not going to trade this until the RBA minute actually comes out. Okay. Now, I have taken a buy on this, but I've got it locked in. Okay, so it's a little bit different if you haven't done that already. Okay, we don't want to be exposed to before this meeting with a trade with a stop loss. We want to be able to literally be locked in like I am. I took it at 9027. Okay, if I get stopped out, it's fine. I'm not too bothered. It was just an off chance of this pullback here. I quickly took the buy trade, knowing that it's in this trading range up to 9050 at the moment. Now, I'm going to listen to the RBA minutes. What I want to hear is some neutral or some hawkish tones. Okay, I want to hear them say things like the recovery is going well, things are recovering above trend or on trend. I don't want to hear anything about the currency being too high, about it being historically high, anything like that. Okay, I think we've fallen to the base now of this Aussie dollar. The US dollar, okay, I'm expecting traders are thinking that Yellen's going to come out with a slightly dovish tone on Wednesday evening. So I'm looking for this Aussie dollar to start to rally. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to that RBA minutes. If we start to get a big spike up and the RBA start to mention hawkish tones, I'm going to look to buy above this pivot point. If we get a spike down and then the RBA start to talk about in hawkish tones and neutral tones, I'm going to start to look to buy at 9,000. In fact, I'm going to take a buy at 9,000 if it comes down to that price before the RBA say anything. Okay, I will take a buy at that price with a small stop loss at 8,970. Just on the off chance that it comes down here and then they start talking with a hawkish tone, that will give me the optimum price. Okay, obviously I can jump out very quickly if it comes out dovish. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for either a buy after the meeting as it goes through this pivot point, or I'm going to look for a buy before at 9,000 on the off chance that they come out of a hawkish tone and this starts to rally up. Okay, I'm looking for big targets on this. I'm looking for targets of 9.3, 9.4, 9.5, and eventually 9.7. Okay, so I'm looking for it for the long term. So I'm going to be looking at using, if I get in at this on the pivot point, I'm going to be looking at stop losses down below 8,950. If I get in at the 9,000, then I'm going to have a tight stop loss, but I will look to get back in if those hawkish tones come out, if it drops any further. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you can make some pips on that early in the morning. I'm not setting pending orders on this one. I'm going to have to get up physically and trade it, so get ready for an early morning. Thanks for watching.